Welcome to Crazy Coders Club. This is the seventh part of our ongoing series called Single Page Website Development. Let us recap what we have done till now. In the first and second part, we have developed the home page. In the third part, about us section. In the fourth part, services section. In the fifth part, photo gallery. In the sixth part, contact us section. In case if you have not watched the first six parts, I would recommend you to watch it and then come here. Links are available in the video description. In this part, we are going to add a footer to our website. Let us see how it looks. This is the footer we are going to add. This contains 3 rows, 2 for the paragraphs and 1 for the social links. Let us see some basic ideas on how to develop this footer. First, we are going to divide the footer into 3 rows. One for the first paragraph, second one for the social links, and third for the copyrights paragraph. And then we're going to add a hover effect to the social links to enhance the user experience. Let us start developing in HTML. Before starting, I want to mention some things. In the home page and as well as in the contact us section, we forgot to add line break to the paragraph. Please add line break after excellence inside the home page paragraph, and then inside the address of contact us section, please add line break after incubation center and also after sixth phase. Let us start. Open the HTML document. First, we will remove the text content which is used for the sixth part. Then add the footer. Footer contains 3 divisions, like 3 rows. In the first row, we'll have a paragraph. In the second row, social links. In the third row, copyright paragraph. In the first row, the paragraph will be connect with us. In the second row, we will have an unordered list with a class name social links, which contains 4 list items. Inside each list item, we'll place an icon within the anchor tag. The anchor tag hyperlink reference will be pointing nowhere. That's why I'm putting hash here. Copy the list item and paste it 3 times. Now let us place the icons inside the anchor tag. In the last part, I have shown how to link the library of font awesome icons to our HTML document. Now let us search for the icons. First, I need a Facebook icon, then Instagram and LinkedIn, and then a Gmail. Okay, let us place one by one. Let us go to Facebook icon, copy the link provided here and just paste it inside the anchor tag. Do it same for the others. Copy the link and paste it inside the anchor tag. Repeat the process for the other two. Copy the link and paste it. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, we have finished adding the icons. Now let us add the final paragraph. To get the symbol of copyright, type and copy semicolon, which will give you the copyright symbol. Then continue with the paragraph. Copyrights, Crazy Coders Club, all rights reserved. This is the standard procedure followed. Save and refresh. Yes, the footer section has been added. Now we'll start styling. First, let us give some background color to the footer. I will add a little dark gray, and then we'll add some padding, 40 pixel top and bottom and 80 pixel left and right. Let us save and refresh. Yes, color and padding has been added. Now we'll style the footer paragraph. First, I'll add the color to it, light gray color, so that it appears, and then text align center. After this, I will remove the default styling of the list items. Let us copy the class social links, add li to it so that we can target the li list items, list style none, and I will use the display property inline block so that they align one after another. Okay, after that I want the margin between the each icons margin left of 20 pixel. Let us refresh. Yes, it has been added. I need some margin top to the paragraph, so we'll add margin top of 20 pixel so that there is a gap between the row. Yes, it has been added. Now we will target the anchor tag, that is icons inside the list items. First we will change the color to black initially, and then a display property of flex, and to align it I will use justify content center and align item center. These two things will align vertically and horizontally. We'll change the font size to 1.5 times the root element, and width and height to 40 pixels each. Okay, let us save and refresh. Yes, it has been added. Now let us add the hover effect. To add the hover effect to the anchor tag, we need to use 4 states: unvisited, visited, active, and hover. For that, the class name will be a pseudo element called link, visited for the first group. These two will have the same properties, that text decoration will be none, that removes the border bottom. And now we'll add another 2 states. Those are active and hover. These two should come after link and visited, then only the hover effect works. When I hover over it, I want a white background, a smooth transition to the white background with a border radius of 50%. The background color will be white. So let us refresh. Yes, it has been added. Let us make it smooth by adding a transition to all of the elements. Transition for all, a 0.5 seconds. Let us save and refresh. Now the effect is very smooth. The seventh part is complete now. The only thing which is remaining is to make the website responsive so that it works good in all the devices. Let us quickly recap what we have done till now. In the first part, we have developed the navigation bar. In the second part, tagline section inside the home page. In the third part, about us section. In the fourth part, services section. In the fifth part, a beautiful gallery. In the sixth part, contact us section. In the seventh part, footer. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please consider subscribing. Keep supporting us for bringing more content on web development. Thank you once again.